For many decades, the training of welders has remained nearly unchanged, revolving around intensive coaching by proficient welding instructors and practicing in welding booths. However, this uses up high levels of consumables and energy. GSI's new computer-based welding trainer combines state-of-the-art measuring and computer technology with a real arc to help future welders learn the ropes and consolidate their theoretical knowledge by giving them a lifelike impression of a working environment early on in their training. And it's of particular interest to training companies, because simulating the real welding process enables considerable amounts of materials, energy and training time to be saved. How is the trainer configured? Original welding torches for tungsten inert gas and metal active gas welding fitted with 2 LEDs are used. One single image of the workpiece is all it takes to show diverse welding positions with the nearly unlimited use of the welding sample. A video camera detects the LEDs of the torch to show its position and movements. The measured data are processed on a user-friendly touch panel PC that also controls the training process and evaluates the handling of the torch by the trainee welder. The automatic welder's helmet is equipped with headphones and a visual signaling device used to give instructions and help the welder correct his handling of the torch.
Zu lang. Zu kurz. Zu kurz. Zu lang.
This is how training is carried out. First, trainee welders take a multiple choice test on the computer. They have to answer questions about the welding process and the equipment needed. Having passed this test, the next stage is practical training. For this purpose, a real arc of extremely low power is ignited using a small power source. A programmable contour is outlined at a preset speed and torch position. The torch position and the torch movements carried out by the welder are monitored visually and electronically. A voice control and light signals installed in the helmet are used to give correcting instructions.
Zu kurz.
Depending on training progress, the parameters can be varied by the welding instructor. In the new version, in addition to the previous training possibilities, metal active gas welding can now be practiced as vertical up welding in the root passes. This involves a special pendulum movement, known to many welders as fir tree welding. The filler pass is welded onto the root pass with the same sequence of movements. In order to practice the welding regime when joining ultra-fine grain steels, a special training module has been developed in which the trainee has to weld a certain length of seam in a set time. The mag welding module also contains setting exercises for the welding parameters voltage and current strength. When the parameters are set correctly, the position of the working point is shown to the trainee in the power source characteristic curve, while high-speed images of drop transfer in the respective arc are shown. During each training session and also afterwards, the screen shows graphically whether the trainee stuck to the specified parameters. A printed record containing written evaluation can be produced on request. The computer saves the results of training and enables each trainee's progress to be accurately assessed. Since the GSI-SLV Welding trainer was originally developed, this pioneering technology has come to be used at a large number of training centers in Germany and abroad. The use of welding trainers will in future be recommended in the International Welding Training Guidelines. In addition to providing a completely new and economical approach to the methodology of training welders, the GSI-SLV Welding Trainer is a great way of encouraging youngsters to consider a career in welding.